One of the benefits of financing your remodel is that you can actually complete a larger project if you desire and pay that loan over the course of a longer period of time. So when you're looking at advancing a project, we want to look at the individual costs of buying at today's dollars versus the cost of what it would be if you had to save that money to then do a renovation, a second portion of your remodel at a later time down the road. So the cost difference of buying at today's dollars is very different, and financing it allows you the opportunity to do a larger project and to be able to keep the dollars on a monthly basis at a lower price point so that you can extend those dollars over the course of time. The flexibility of financing also allows you to be able to refinance if you choose to in the future, or pay down a loan or a line of credit as rapidly as you desire. So that gives you complete control. It allows you to spread the costs out over the course of time and allows you to be able to complete the projects that you desire in your home.